Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. You're hiding there, Mark, aren't you? Thanks for helping me. Nice chap. Right, here's a catch up on what's growing in the greenhouse. It's absolutely chocker at the moment. Here we have my little water tray. Everything goes in there to soak. That needs emptying out. But here we have my begonia plugs from last year. All growing really well. These old foxgloves that I'm going to take out of there. I'll probably take this out tomorrow. Take it out, get rid of all these so they've all got a chance to grow. At the front there, near the window, my potatoes. And as we come on the top layer, we have petunia, midnight something. Then we have these pinks, these carnations. These are called Dianthus pulmonaris, and they're all growing really well. And then next to that are my stocks. It's looking a little bit worse for wear because they dried out a few days ago. My fault. Sorry, stocks. The next layer we have lemon balm, which is looking really, really well. I'm just going to take a bit off and just crush it. Oh wow, the zesty. Oh, you've got to get this. You have got to grow lemon balm. It is absolutely outstanding. That is definitely going to get added to some cakes and that I'm going to be making later on. Then next we have agastache, apricot sprite. They're all going really well. And then we have here, these are, get the name tag, Gypsophilia double snowflake. And these were doing really, really badly. They had white fly, green fly on them. They sprayed, and look how well they're growing now. Absolutely amazing. So they're going really well. At the front there's some spuds. They're mounding up. And then at near the clock it is now. Which time is it? 10 to 5. And then we have some petunias. Forget the name of these. I'll remember anyway. Then we have our marigolds that are all starting to flower. Surrounded by some cornflowers. Then we have these beautiful lupins. They need potting on. Then we have here, these are my freesias. These dried out a little bit, they're on the top shelf, but flowers are looking really well. As you can see, I've staked them, giving them good support. And then as we come down here, this is the other freesia. Hopefully it's going to recover. And hopefully we'll get some more flowers, because there's only one lot of flowers on those. Then we have our tomato plant, which is looking really well. See nice tomato flowers there. And then we have our show begonias. I've taken 4 or 5 cuttings off this one, and then I've just nipped the tops out to encourage some nice side shoots. I'll take some more cuttings off them later on. At the top there we have, there are dahlia pom-poms, and then our fuchsia up there. And then the next level of our sweet peas that need pinching out again. They're growing really well. Then we have our Chinese radishes. And then on the next level we have a Delora floribundia. And then we have here our echinaceas. Just want to show you this one here. This one, I nipped the top out because it was getting a flower bud on it. And that's just causing it to fatten up nicely. So I should get several flowers off that this year, which is I'm looking forward to. This is a pelargonium that I bought 2 years ago. And that's been underneath the lights, that's flowering really well. Another echinacea there. Then we have our delphiniums along the bottom. As we come round here, I'll show you this. This is a petunia that I forgot I'd got, but look at the powdery mildew on that. I'm probably going to just bin that. Not worth saving. As we come up here, we have our caladulias and then our nemesias. They're all looking really, really well. And next to those, some pelargonium cuttings, which I'm going to be giving away in a few weeks. Then we have a verbascum. Look how well these are growing now. Verbascum snow maiden. The roots on them, those plants are beautiful. And then we have our cornflowers at the back. These are all looking really well as well. really strong, healthy plants. They all had white flower on them. They had a good spray and looking really well now. Then we have our petunias here. And at the back here we have some more petunias and some more, I can't see the name tag on those at that. Rudbeckias. Then we have chrysanthemum, bouquet. And then these are my main pelargoniums. These are the ones I take cuttings from. But look how well they're growing now. Then we have our carnation here. That's really looking really nice and healthy. Then we have a couple of tomato plants. They're rogue tomato plants. Oh, that's not very well. And then we have a couple of begonia trays. As we come down here, 5 or 6 tomato plants there. Followed by floribundia here. These are looking absolutely amazing now. Potted these on a few days ago. Look how well they've taken those. Then we have our cosmos here. Then at the back, our begonia cuttings. And some dahlia cuttings as well. Then 2 Chinese radishes here. And look how thick the radishes are becoming now. They're starting to look really, really well. Can't wait to try those. And that's about it. I'm really pleased how well these have recovered. I've lost probably 3 or 4 of them because they dried out. But they've come back really well. Here's one I potted on. I'm going to show you this one. This one is looking really, really healthy. Look at that. What I'll do with this one, just want to show you. Just get your finger and forefinger here. Just nip out the growing tip. And that'll cause all these side shoots. This will thicken up nicely. And it'll produce more flowers. But my dahlia cuttings have all taken. I mean, look at these now. The roots, see the roots coming out the bottom? And they're going to produce some really healthy plants. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, drop me a line in my comment section. And yeah, these begonias, these hanging baskets, this one is full of petunias. This is petunia from last year, a nice double one. And these shoots here, these are seedlings from this year. So this one, I've just been around deadheading it. And it's lined with a carrier bag. You don't have to go out and buy expensive moss or them coir fabrics that are made up to line them. Carrier bags all been liners, do a really good job. This one has got pelargoniums in the top 2. They're cuttings, they're growing really well. And then a ring of petunias that's going to fill all that up. And then a ring of begonias. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. Like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.